I would say the primary core competencies of PowerTest right now are tenacity and grit. 2020 has actually been an amazing year from a growth perspective. PowerTest's influence upon SuperFlow comes stability. Between all of our umbrella companies, the acquisition of Dynamite and Taylor, we now approach about 160 people. So from that, we have great depth of knowledge and the ability to support not only here in the US, but abroad. We are a full-fledged manufacturer of dynamometers. We've been doing so since the inception of this business 45 years ago. So we are design firm, we are manufacturer from machining, fabrication, assembly, electronics, wiring, the programming, everything is done in-house and has been since the beginning of our business. Fall of 27, we acquired SuperFlow as a great opportunity, but at that time, SuperFlow was a variety of different businesses. So we reestablished the SuperFlow brand name to be the performance brand name, and we carved out Hicklin Engineering, Axioline, and TCRS from the umbrella of SuperFlow Technologies. Over the course of time, we transitioned from manufacturing in Iowa into our plant in Sussex, Wisconsin. In doing so, we've taken advantage of our manufacturing capability here from machining and from assembly, panel building, programming to advance the products and to make it more consistent, to improve the quality, and to make the delivery times more consistent than what had been previously experienced. At the same time, we've added employees in order to grow the support aspects of SuperFlow as well. Having grown up in the diesel industry, we're familiar with high amounts of torque. So 50,000 foot-pounds of torque is in our space, but the RPM is much different. In the performance space, RPMs may be in the 10,000 plus RPM range, but torque will be much different in the 2,000 foot-pound range. So we have the ability to transcend either of these ranges, but what we find is that the aerospace leads automotive, automotive leads diesel. And so by us being in all of these industries, we have the ability to advance our diesel and bring some of our endurance characteristics from the diesel world into the performance space. So people are accustomed to going to trade shows to see people face to face and continue relationships. And it's really easy in this time of COVID or the pandemic to put our heads in the sand or to just ignore what's going on in the world. And in doing so, the world passes us by. By participating in a virtual trade show, you get to perhaps not meet the people in person, but at least see who they are, test their character, see the products, but at the same time, think about how you might apply these products to your business to help it grow while other businesses are choosing not to grow. Thereby, you'll be able to leave them behind and advance to the future.